Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Helena Spice Shop. On today's episode, we will be making a delicious seafood salad recipe. So let's get into our ingredients. So for today's recipe, we're going to use 2 of our spice blends, and that will be our all-purpose seasoning. And we are also going to be using our glop seasoning today. So additionally, we are going to be using lump crab meat, langoustine lobster tails, shrimp that we'll peel and devein, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 bell pepper, 4 stalks of celery, 1 red bell pepper for color, 1 lime, a mixture of seafood seasoning, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper, and 1/3 of a cup of dill pickle relish. Okay, so now we are moving into our seafood, and here's a quick tip. If you are using any frozen seafood, please be sure to rinse it thoroughly and then pat it dry with a paper towel or a clean kitchen towel in order to take away the excess moisture. So I'm gonna do one little taste test, and it was so good. So this is our finished product. As always, if you would like to try out our delicious spices, you can check us out at www.helenaspiceshop.com. Thank you to everyone that's been tuning in to us. Let us know in the comments what you'd like for us to make next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.